In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Docs glitch if your document is lagging, text is jumping around, or changes refuse to stick. We'll walk through two proven fixes. First, clearing the browser data that can corrupt how Docs loads, and second, restoring a clean version if the issue is inside the file itself. Start by opening your browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. We're going to clear the temporary data that can cause Docs to misbehave. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus Delete. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data or Delete Data menu. Set the time range to All Time. This ensures you're removing older, stale items that might still be interfering. Next, check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Cookies control session and site preferences, and the cache stores copies of pages and assets. Both can get out of sync with Google Docs and trigger odd glitches. A quick heads up, clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Now click Clear Data or Delete Data and give it a moment to finish. Return to your Google Doc and refresh the page. Many display issues vanish at this point because the document is now loading fresh resources instead of broken or outdated ones. If you're still seeing a glitch or the problem is purely inside the document, like text won't delete, the cursor jumps, or formatting behaves strangely, there may be invisible styling pasted in from the web. In that case, open the File menu at the top left. Choose Version History, then See Version History. You'll see a panel with timestamps showing snapshots of your document over time. Browse through those timestamps and look for a clean, unglitched point from earlier today or earlier in the week. Click a version to preview it and check whether the layout is stable and your content looks right. When you've found the best candidate, click Restore this version. This rolls the file back to that state and usually removes whatever hidden code was causing the chaos. If you change your mind, Google Docs keeps multiple versions, so you can revisit version history again later. That's it. Clear the browser data to fix loading and display issues, and use version history to undo invisible formatting problems inside the file. As a future tip, when pasting from the web, paste without formatting to avoid bringing hidden styles along. Thanks for watching, and I hope your docs are running smoothly again.